Now let us find the inverse Laplace transform using partial fraction method. This is the question given to us. Find the inverse transform of x of s is equal to s plus 1 divided by s plus 2 into s plus 3. In order to find the Laplace transform using partial fraction method, we have to split the right hand side of this equation using partial fraction method. By partial fraction method, let us split the right hand side as s plus 1 divided by s plus 2 into s plus 3. That is the right hand side of the given equation. That can be splitted using partial fraction as a divided by first term in the denominator, that is s plus 2. Then plus b divided by the second term of the denominator, that is s plus 3. Means by making use of partial fraction, we splitted this equation in this form: a divided by s plus 2 plus b divided by the second denominator. All of you must have a clear understanding about the partial fraction method that we have studied in the higher secondary. So now let us evaluate the value of a and b. Before that, let us put this equation as equation number 1. Now let us multiply both the left hand side and the entire right hand side using the denominator of left hand side. Multiply both LHS and the entire RHS using the denominator of LHS. What is the denominator of LHS? This is LHS, and the denominator of LHS means s plus 2 into s plus 3. Now multiply it. S plus 1 divided by s plus 2 into s plus 3. That is our left hand side. Now multiply with the denominator of LHS itself. That is this one, s plus 2 into s plus 3. Okay, similarly, let us multiply the entire RHS also. First of all, let us multiply the first term of right hand side. A divided by s plus 2 is the first term. Then multiply with the denominator of LHS, that is s plus 2 into s plus 3. Okay, then plus b divided by s plus 3 second time. Okay, into again multiply with the denominator of LHS, that is this one, s plus 2 into s plus 3, right? Now let us cancel some terms in the left hand side as well as the right hand side. Okay, here the remaining thing is remaining term is 1, s plus 1, it is equal to a into, here we have s plus 3, then plus b into s plus 2. Okay, now let us put this as equation number 2. Now let us substitute here. This is the denominator of right hand side. Okay, so let us equate the denominator of the first term equal to 0. Then what we are getting is denominator of first term is s plus 2, that is equal to 0. Then the value of s is equal to, if we are taking 2 to the right hand side of equality, that will become minus. Now substitute s is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. Then what we'll be getting, let us try to do so. S equal to 2, minus 2 here also, minus 2 plus 1 equal to a into s is minus 2 plus 3 plus b into s, again s is equal to minus 2 plus 2. In the left hand side, The remaining term is minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 itself. Equal to a into minus 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 1. A into 1 plus b into minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. Then we have a into 1 is equal to a is equal to minus 1. Okay, the value of a that we are getting is minus 1. Similarly, now let us equate the denominator of second term also. That is, denominator of second term is s plus 3 equal to 0. Then now we are getting s equal to minus 3. Now let us substitute s is equal to minus 3 in here also, in this equation also. Equation 2, what we are getting is, in place of s we have minus 3, then minus 3 plus 1 equal to a into minus 3 plus 3. Okay, then plus b into s is equal to minus 3 plus 2. Now let us solve. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. That is equal to minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So a into 0 plus b into minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now the remaining digit in the left hand side is minus 2, and that of right hand side is b into minus 1. Minus into minus become positive, and now the value of b is equal to 2. Let us mark it as equation number 4. Now let us substitute the values of a and b into equation number 1. Then we will be getting this one. Okay, and now we have in the left hand side we have s plus 2 divided by, sorry, s plus 1 divided by s plus 2 into s plus 3. S plus 1 divided by s plus 2 into s plus 3. Okay, that is equal to a divided by s plus 2. That is equal to a. What is the value of a? Value of a by equation 3 is equal to minus 1. So in place of a, I am putting minus 1 divided by, what is the remaining, the denominator is s plus 2. Okay, right, now put plus, then followed by b. What is the value of b obtained here? That is equal to 2. Okay, divided by s plus 3. Now we have 2 divided by s plus 3. Okay, now let us mark the equation number as 5 here. But one thing to be noted is, what about this LHS? But it is given in the question that this term is x of s. Okay, right, that is given in our question. So let us replace this left hand side using x of s. Then let us rewrite this equation 5 as, this is equal to minus 1 divided by s plus 2 plus 2 into 1 divided by s plus 3. Let us put it as equation number 6. Okay, now we need to know some important concepts that we have proved in our previous videos. So because in our previous, some of our previous videos, we have evaluated the Laplace transform of e raised to minus a t u of t, that is equal to 1 divided by s plus a. We have obtained it in our previous video. We proved this result. So Laplace transform of e raised to t u of t is equal to s plus a. Then what will be the inverse Laplace transform of this one? Then Conversely, you can say that inverse Laplace transform of this one should be equal to e raised to t of t. Okay, right? Okay, all of you agreed. That means the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus a, that is equal to e raised to minus a t u of t. Okay, this is the converse statement of this result. If the Laplace transform of e raised to a t of t is equal to 1 by s plus a, then of course, definitely that if we take the inverse transform of this one, of course we will be getting this one. So let us take it as a formula. Okay, let us consider this as a formula. Now what will be the, therefore what will be the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus a? Here we have 2 instead of a. So what will be the result here? That should be e raised to minus in place of a. Okay, here we have a, that's why a here. Here we have s plus 2. Therefore, this result will be e raised to minus 2t u of t. Okay. Now this is equation number 7. Then what about the second one? The inverse Laplace transform of this one, 1 by s plus 3. Again, using the same formula, let us find the result as here. Here we have 3 in place of a. So let us substitute for s equal to 3 here. Then we will be getting minus 3t ut. Okay, that is equation number 8. Then what will be the inverse Laplace transform of x of s? Okay, definitely that will be x of t, because every time we are saying that the Laplace transform of x of t is denoted by x of s, when conversely inverse Laplace transform of this one, x of s. Okay, that will be x of t. That's what I have written over here. So let us take the inverse Laplace transform on both sides. Where in equation 6, here we are going to find the inverse Laplace transform. We are going to take the inverse Laplace transform on left hand side as well as the right hand side, taking inverse Laplace transform on both sides in equation 6. This is equation 6. Then what we are getting is inverse Laplace transform of LHS, that is ILT of, what is LHS here? That is x of s. X of s. Okay, that is equal to minus 1. That is equal to minus 1. Sorry. That is equal to inverse Laplace transform of minus 1, as we are taking inverse Laplace transform on both sides. Inverse Laplace transform of this one, 1 divided by s plus 2. Okay, then plus 2 into inverse Laplace transform of this one, inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus 3. Okay, 1 by s plus 3. Then from these equations 7, 8 and 9, from equation 9 we can say that ILT of x of t, what is it? What is that? That is x of t. X of t then equal to, let us put this minus sign outside, then inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus 2 remaining here. Okay, and then what about one inverse Laplace transform of s plus 2, that is equal to e raised to 2 e raised to minus 2t u of t. This is by equation 9. This is by equation 7. Then plus 2 into, what about this ILT of 1 by s plus 3? ILT of 1 by s plus 3 is equal to e raised to minus 3t ut. E raised to minus 3t ut. by equation 8. Okay, now what we are getting is x of t. What is x of t? X of t is the inverse Laplace transform of the given signal x of s. Okay, right. That is equal to minus e raised to minus 2t u of t plus 2 into e raised to minus 3t ut. Here u of t is common for both these two terms, so we can take it outside, then the remaining terms inside the bracket are, here we have 2 raised to 3t, okay, minus e raised to minus 2t. That will be the equation, that will be the result. X of t is equal to u of t into this one. So finally we can conclude that inverse Laplace transform of x of t that we have obtained is 2 e raised to 3t minus e raised to minus 2t into u of t. This is the result what we are obtained using partial fraction method. Okay, thank you.